Hi, I'm Sabir, and in this video I'll try to explain use some phrasal verbs which are used in everyday English by the native speakers. Let's start our lesson. Our first phrasal verb is gloss over. The phrasal verb gloss over means to avoid talking about something unpleasant or embarrassing. To avoid talking about something unpleasant or embarrassing. The phrasal verb gloss over is used when you try to avoid talking about something that you feel is unpleasant or embarrassing. You want to make it seem not important and you quickly continue to talk about something else. In fact, you want to hide or conceal it. For example, they glossed over their family problems. She glossed over some important issues. Our next phrasal verb is blurt out. Blurt out means to say something suddenly and without thinking because you are excited or nervous. To say something suddenly and without thinking because you are excited or nervous. For example, James blurted out, I can't do it. She wanted to keep it secret, but her husband blurted out everything about the house. Our next phrasal verb is butter up. The phrasal verb butter up means to say nice things to someone so that they will give you something or help you. To say nice things to someone so that they will give you something or help you. For example, stop buttering me up. I can't help you in this matter. He butters up his manager to get a promotion. Number 4. Coax something out of someone. Coax something out of someone. Coax something out of someone means to convince someone to do something or to get something from someone by being gentle and kind. To convince someone to do something or to get something from someone by being gentle and kind. For example, Alan is going to coax the information out of him over the dinner. He coaxed a brilliant performance out of the players. Our next phrasal verb is color in. The phrasal verb color in means to put color inside a particular shape or an area. To put color inside a particular shape or an area. When you put color inside a shape or an area using color pencils or something else, you can use this phrasal verb. For example, I'll draw a car and you can color it in. Our next phrasal verb is louse up. Louse up means to spoil something or do something badly. To spoil something or do something badly. When you spoil something and make it worse or you do it badly, you can use the phrasal verb louse up. For example, you loused up Carl's promotion chances. This is a best opportunity in your life. Don't louse it up. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.